Lyana, I'm 17 years old and I'm from Malaysia. As someone who has been homeschooled for more than a decade, I would say that I am a pretty experienced homeschooler. Thus, I have made this video in hopes that it would help other homeschoolers in improving their homeschooling experience. Here are 5 tips for you to improve your homeschooling experience. Number 1, discover your learning style. Everyone learns differently, which is why it is important to figure out the optimum way in which you absorb information. For example, when memorizing something, some people would prefer to read, listen to it, or act it out. Number 2, signing up for sports and activities is a really great idea to stay productive and busy throughout the whole week. I have signed up for numerous activities and since then have found something that I am very passionate about, like figure skating, tennis, and football. Now, this makes me feel excited to get up in the morning, so that's how I stay motivated. Number 3, divide your time. With numerous activities, tests, and assignments, it can be easy to go off track. Usually, I feel more productive studying in the morning rather than at night, so I have all my studying in the morning and all my activities in the evening or at night. Dividing up my time has really helped me stay on top of everything. Number 4, put the gadgets away. I am not joking, Snapchat. If you are a social butterfly like me, things like Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram may be really distracting for you, so last but not least is to change your learning environment. If studying at home does not work, I would go to a cafe or to my friend's house and bring all my assignments there. Thank you for watching and I hope these tips will help you improve your homeschooling experience.